Right, so here we've got the stretch ceiling, and then this is the MDF sort of floating panel, which is held on by some metal straps, which has been bended in sort of like a Z shape to give it, you know, a bit of adjustment. So that will be clamped together with the speaker, and then above that is the plasterboard ceiling. So it's a bit difficult for us to get the hood in, which traditionally would be fixed to the ceiling. But hey, listen, is what it is, I guess. So yeah, cables in, cable stripped. So let's get these speakers in the speaker hole. Bit of documentation. We're men, we don't need that. Right, it's a bit difficult one-handed. See what we can do. Tell you what, break the box down a bit. Oh, it's not working. So here we have them. Directional tweeters, woofer back there, decent sized magnet. These is what will come down and secure that to that MDF. Floating mount, take the gel out, so we can gel. And there we've got our speaker terminals. So yeah, let's get that up in there. Right, so they'll have to spray these grills black to match the ceiling. So we'll leave those in the packaging and give them to the decorateur to paint. Tell you what, to test fit this first, because this looks tight. Yeah, a little bit too tight. Right. I don't even think that the opening of these hoods will even fit over the back of the magnet. Nope. Not today. Not today, not today. Hood up. Hood won't go on. No? No, look at the size of the magnet. Open up another speaker. Those hoods are live audio hoods. Yeah. So it's never gonna work. Icaro! Hello. Alright. Don't move my camera.
You think we're just focused?
It's recording.
Huh?
It's recording.
Fucking Jenga.
Slide on out. That's how they're coming down.
Field Productions. Field Productions. Field Productions. Field Productions.
So unfortunately, behind this glass wall we only had about 20 mil void, and the speaker depth is 75 mil. So we had to try and find a way of mounting these speakers on the wall and allowing for the screen to be placed in front of it. So we packed out the timber, sunk what we can into the wall, and yeah, I mean it doesn't look pretty, but this is the finished result. They'll build a frame around the speakers, and then the screen will go on top. The screen is designed especially to allow the sound to travel through. So when it's finished, you won't see the speakers, you just see the screen, and you'll still get all the audio through. So yeah, that's as far as we've got today. We've got the ceiling channels in. Unfortunately, the rear in-wall speakers didn't come, so they can be done at a later date. But yeah, until next phase, it's done in here.
Field Productions.
How was it, Chris? How was Southampton's trip?
I've been Southampton, I've never been Scunthorpe.
Oi!
It's good, mate. Enjoyed it.